welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to share with you guys some items from Mina which I got over the months. So this is like a collective review if you want. So first off, I want to start off with this eyebrow kit. This is called the eyebrow kit. How genius. It's in the shade 403. It comes in the standard black matte Mina packaging. Okay, let's drop everything on the floor. Before talking about the product, it comes with 3 little tools. You have a flat little brush over here. You also have a slanted brush, like an angled brush, and you also have a mini tweezer. So the tools that you have, to be honest, if I were to travel and for example I were to lose my brushes, I would easily carry out this brow with these products right here, just because they're all you need basically to fill in your brows. You have your tweezers, which I think is really nice. I've always wanted a mini tweezers like this. I think it's so cute. And then you have 2 different brushes, maybe one, the flat one for to use concealer, maybe to carve out your brows, and the other one to apply the product. So I think that the brushes that they have in the packaging, they can be used. If you're a beginner, you don't have maybe many brushes, you can use those and you can make everything work. So yeah, I'm not really keen on tools that come with makeup, just because I have many brushes and I'd rather use those. However, these, I think they're they're pretty decent. So when it comes to the packaging, it comes with a mirror, of course, and you have these 2 products right here. This one is a gel consistency, which can be used on its own, but it can also be used as a primer. So when you go in with the powder, it can create like a pomade look, and it can also be used at the very end after you go in with your powder, just to make everything seal. It can be used also like as a waxing finishing product, you know. So you can either use these on their own, and you can also use them in conjunction with each other. So I think that as a palette it's quite versatile. I really enjoyed using it today on my brows. This is the powder shade over here. It's quite light, which I've been enjoying. I've been enjoying a lighter brow lately. I'm very moody when it comes to my makeup, so it depends on how I feel and stuff. So I'm really enjoying this palette. I think it was the 3rd time I've used it in this video, and I've enjoyed it like usually first off the bat. I can tell if I will enjoy a product or not, and this didn't give me bad impressions at all. So I recommend this product to you guys because I enjoyed it, and especially if you're a beginner, the products that you get in the kit are very easy to work with. They are not choppy, they're easy to blend, easy to, you know, work with. So that's that. I also have this palette, which is called the eyeshadow palette in the shades 103. As you can see, I have an array of colors, and I didn't choose any of the items myself. I got a box full of the items. Usually if I see this in store, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I won't pick it up because it has pastel shades, as you can see, which are pretty but are not really my thing. I'm more of a richer, bolder kind of girl. Watch this when I got it. However, I haven't used it on my eyes. I have used the lighter shade on my lid today, and I really enjoyed it. Of course, it's light, so it's not gonna show as much. However, it's very pigmented and it's really silky and smooth. I loved it. So I'm looking forward now to try the rest of the colors, although I'm not, you know, really keen on the color choice. However, I'm impressed by the swatches so far because they seem really nice. To use it in another video, so I'm not sure if you can see. We'll use all the shades in another video. However, I did use the lighter shade today and I enjoyed it. It was very pigmented, especially considering it is you know, a lighter color. So far seems promising. Another item that I got in the box was this chubby lipstick. I got mine in the shade, so it doesn't say the shade on the packaging, which is not something I really appreciate. Mina, I don't know, I like my shade to be on the packaging. Most probably it was on the box, so if I find it I will let you know. However, it's this color over here. It's like a very cool tone, browny gray, and it's very wearable. So as you can see, I'm wearing it now, of course, and if you pair it with a warmer eye, with a simple neutral eye and nice lashes and a killer wing, I think anyone could pull it off. In a back, when it comes to these colors, I know that not everyone can comfortably wear something like this. However, I feel that this color is somewhat wearable. I love it. I would wear it, to be honest, maybe with a warmer kind of blush, just so you can counteract the color combination on your skin, but I do like it. I like the feel of it. It almost feels like a matte velvety feel once it's after a couple of minutes on your lips. However, it is not matte whatsoever. It's more of a creamy formula. It's called the Trouble Lipstick. Straight off the bat, it looks really opaque. However, once you put it on your lips, it needs a little bit of work, maybe because of the color, because it's a very unique color, to fully seal the color, like to fully get the color shown in the packaging. So I like it. I will keep on using it, and you know, this would also be nice in a nude maybe. I don't know what colors they have. If they do have a nude color, I think it would be really nice in a packaging like this. Very handy. Another thing which I got, which I've already mentioned in my Urban Decay Naked Heat tutorial, this is the gel liner, and I have mine in the shade 801. It's a brown color, and I really love the color. And when I swatched it like in the actual packaging, the color looked really nice as well. So this is the shade. However, I did not like it whenever I used it on my eyes. If you want to see how it performed, just go check it out, that video. It applied streaky. It needed a lot of help. It needed multiple layers to really give me that color payoff that I want. Whenever I'm using my Inglot gel liner, doesn't give me that problem. Like with one swipe, I have the full opacity that I look for in a gel liner. This didn't give me that, so I'm not sure if maybe I got a wrong batch or anything. However, it didn't impress me at all. If I keep on using it, I know that I need help when it comes to this product. It's not an effortless product in my opinion. That does have to work for you. Like my Inglot one, you need to work with this in order to give you what you're after. So not really my cup of tea. So I have this shadow paint, and I have mine in the shade 700. So first of all, I really like the packaging, you guys. So the packaging comes in a squeezy tube, and it also has this screw on the lid, and I think it's really cute, like really industrial looking. I love the vibe of it. When it comes to pigmentation, this, you guys, it is so pigmented, and I'm also looking forward maybe to try more colors, because you guys, so this is the lightest shade, and usually we expect the lighter shade to be the least visible. However, you guys, see, like, can you see that pigmentation is so pretty? It is like a matte kind of vibe. I don't know. And I also used it today when it comes to this tutorial. It can be used as a base. I've applied it with my fingers, and then I blended it out with my beauty blender. It didn't give me any trouble whatsoever. However, I do suggest that you act quick when it comes to this product, because it tends to dry quite easily. So you can use this as a base under your eyeshadows, maybe to achieve more longevity, or if you have oily lids. However, I can also suggest you using this if you want. For example, I'll definitely use this in conjunction with this palette. When it comes to these colors, usually pastel colors don't really show off as they're showing in the pen. They need some more work. So if you put that as a base, like a white base, any other color that you put on top will automatically pop out more. You see? So we'll use these in conjunction with each other again in a future tutorial. However, so far I really liked it. I didn't find any problems to go in with my eyeshadow after I've used this. Usually I find some eyeshadow paints to be really thick, and then when I go in with the eyeshadows, they kind of apply choppy. However, this is a shadow paint, so you can either use it on its own as an eyeshadow. Basically, you just pop it on your eye and you blend it out with your finger or with a brush, with a sponge, whatever. And you can also use it as a primer, as a base. So it's quite versatile as a product, and as a makeup artist, I like multitasking with my product. So this is another hit for me. I have this. This is the Duo eyeshadow in the shade 607. As you can see, it comes in this kind of cool concept, which is like mixed colors. These are more on the greener side. You have a light shade over here, and then you have a mix of a green and a bluish aqua shade. Not that pigmented, so we'll have to see. The lightest shade is really pretty though, so I'm not sure if you can see. However, it is not really opaque, so I haven't used this yet, but I will do in a tutorial soon. This is the, I know I'm on a roll today, you guys, but I'm filming so much. This is the eyeliner pencil in the shade 613, and I'm gonna use it beneath the lower lash line. It feels like a crayon consistency, which is not something that I despise. Actually, I like this kind of crayon kajal feel. I love it. I love that pop of green. I'm only applying it on the lower lash line today. I'm not applying it on the waterline. So if you want to know how it performs on the waterline, just make sure to subscribe, because I will use it for sure in a tutorial. However, on the lower lash line, I do really like it. It smudges out really easily. It's quite blendable, and I don't know, it gives me the feel of it being long lasting. So I've used it one more time, if I'm not wrong, in the waterline, and I think it performs quite well. Don't remember well, but I do like it. So yeah, like it so far as well. But you have to keep an eye out for this, because products which I haven't used, like really used, like these two before, I cannot really comment on them. Like, okay, I'm liking it at the moment, I don't know how it will perform during the day, you know. So if you want to know more info, like in general info, just make sure to subscribe, because I'm sure that I will feature these in more videos too. The eye pencil, the shadow paint, and the chubby lipstick formed part of the utility collection, and the eyeshadow palette, the gel liner, eyebrow kit, this product right here were part of the eyes collection, if I'm not wrong. I don't know if this is only available to bloggers, because I got sent this as a PR package, or if it's available like as a whole collection in store. So I don't know. But the last product that I got is this eye gloss in the shade 503. So I don't know if I'm gonna do the right thing, but I'm gonna try and use it today. I don't want to ruin my makeup because I have more videos to film. I really wanted to use this as a separate product in another video, so I don't know if I should do that. Maybe I should, because I don't want to ruin my makeup and I need to film more videos. So basically, as you can see, it comes with a twist up kind of packaging, and this is the color. So it's quite, I don't know how I feel about this. It's nice, like the color is a nice burgundy, and of course it's not the same as it's in the tube, because it's a glossy consistency and it tends to fade a little bit. So yeah, I really like the applicator also, because it's like a soft sponge. So if you want to see a glossy eye makeup tutorial, hit that like button. You girl, you know what you need to do. So I'm gonna leave it at that, because I have a ton of videos to film. Be sure to subscribe and like this video for more. And yeah, let me know if you've tried any of the products that I have in this video. What is your favorite? Let me know any tips and tricks that you have, maybe items which I wasn't really compatible with, like this gel liner. Let me know so I can take your suggestions on board. And yeah, I will shut this here, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!